I just made my bed for you guys, so woo! Exciting video. Every video is an exciting video. Hi, I'm Santana. Okay, hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing something that's kind of tutorial-ish, but I feel like no matter what I'm doing on my channel, it's really not, it'll never be a professional tutorial, how-to, very helpful, but you know, I am a human being living my life and trial and error-ring things, so why not take you guys along and maybe we can learn together. But today I'm going to be straightening my hair. And I know that I shouldn't be, and I've been trying really hard to keep my hair healthy. I try to straighten it as little as possible. I just get these urges, like just overwhelming, they just take over my brain, and they're just like, straighten your hair, you know you want to do it, just straighten your hair. I'm like, okay, so this is how I straighten my hair with as little heat as I possibly can. My hair type, you won't really be able to tell in this video, but you can tell from any of my other videos, is like I'd say about a 3A, 3B, curly but not like anything too crazy. So here's my little secret, my little I don't know what word to use, but here's my little secret to how I straighten my hair with as little heat as possible. So, here's what you want to do. The day before you want to straighten your hair, you shower, you use shampoo and conditioner, full wash your hair, and then what you're going to want to do is take your hair and slick it back into a low bun. No products. That is also important. Do not put any products in your hair after you wash it. You get out of the shower, and while it's wet, take a brush, boom, boom, slick it back into a little low bun, and you just leave it, okay? You just want to leave it until it dries. So I'm assuming that other people with 3A, 3B hair, this will work because, you know, same type of hair. But the reason I like to do that is because if I just keep my hair in a slick back low bun, by the time my hair dries, it's practically half straight. So I did that yesterday and my hair is completely dry. Even the hair in the bun dried, I guess. Okay, so I realize it might be kind of confusing because my hair is like up in a top knot and I'm talking about taking your hair out of a low bun. My hair was in a low bun for like a day or so, and then when I showered, I put it in a bun up here so it wouldn't get wet, and then that's why it was up like that in the video. But before that, it was in the low bun. Okay, thank you. Proceed. If the hair in the bun part doesn't dry, you could just take a blow dryer, obviously, and like blow dry it. But, so this is how my hair dried. I'll show you guys. I just took it out, and as you can see, it's not how it would normally be. I don't know, like, it's obviously still kind of curly, but not as much. And as you can tell, top of my hair, my roots, and the part of my hair that I really don't want to have to use a lot of heat on because that's my fresh new hair coming in, is straight for the most part, you know, a lot straighter than it would be normally. So with this type of base, you don't have to, one, worry about blow drying your hair, and you, two, don't have to go over it and straighten it as much because it's already in a less curly state. So I'm going to section my hair off and then we'll get started. I do not have a mirror. Like that nightstand thing is the closest thing I have to a mirror, so I'm not even going to bother using that. I'm literally using my front camera set up right here as my mirror today, so don't come for me if this looks horrible. I like to section my hair just in sections, like going up, starting from the bottom and going up. Just, I find it easier to do it this way, and I feel like I can really see all of the hair that I'm straightening and make sure that it's actually getting everything as I move up. So, should we throw a time lapse in here? Let's throw a little time lapse in here so I can watch. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna watch The Office. Yeah, okay. Let it roll. Let it roll. Let it rock. Let it roll. Let it rock and roll. Oh! Also, huge disclaimer, please use heat protectant when you use heat on your hair. That is so important. I just don't have any right now. I left it in Arizona, so I feel bad. I'm sorry, hair, I'm doing this to you, but you use heat protectant. I might not today, but you do it. I was watching this video about straightening your hair, and I remember someone saying that it's important to brush your hair out after you straighten it, so that way the heat evenly distributes? Question mark? I don't know. They said it, so I'll do it. Okay, so I'll show you guys. First section done. This is how it's looking thus far. Wow, yeah, I actually just cut my hair about a month or two ago, so this is like the least, no, I'm not gonna say most, but the least crusty my hair looks when I straighten it, so I'm happy I finally trimmed it. Oh, also, the hair straightener I'm using is Remington. I don't know what exact one this is. I got this as a present, like, literally in, like, middle school, I think. But, I mean, honestly, I feel like any old hair straightener works. First section, now I'm just gonna tie this part back in a little ponytail with my hair tie. I personally, when I finish straightening a section, I like to put it in a ponytail because I feel like if I put it in a little bun or anything else, it makes it all like wavy or just like weird. So I try to let it just lay flat. Next section. Another tip, I like to comb out my hair using just like a wide tooth comb before I straighten it after I section it off. Just because I feel like using a brush on dry hair is just way too aggressive, or at least like when it's curly, it's just too much. So I'd use the comb before I straighten it and then the brush after. Okay, second portion done. Let me show you all of what we're working with right now. Alright, there we go. Whew, okay, probably about 2 more sections, I'd say. Let's keep freaking going. The nice part about doing it this way also is that as you get to the top layers, it becomes easier and easier to straighten because it is more already kind of straight, you know what I mean? That's cool. Okay, cool beans. We are almost done. That is the third section. This is all of the hair that we have straightened thus far. Looking pretty good. All right, last section, let's do it. I know with every other section I started at the front and did sections going backwards, but when I do this last top part, I actually like to start at the back I couldn't tell you why. That's just how I always do it now that I think about it. I hate these stupid bangs. Trying to grow them out. Go away. Like, what is it? Like, the one thing I hate about straightening my hair is how stupid this hair looks when it's straight. Like, ma'am. Alright, ladies and the gentle fish, I think just like that, we're done. Let's show you what it looks like. I think I didn't do half bad, and I feel like that was super fast. That definitely took me less than 30 minutes, and that's just because I let my hair sit in that bun yesterday, so I didn't have to blow dry it, so that cut out like half of the time. So if you want to save some time, you want to straighten your hair with minimal heat damage, you're welcome. Yeah, we're done now, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, share this video with a cousin, and I think that's it. So I'll catch you on the flip.